Welcome to Wild World News.
Oh my God! Are you serious? This is on CNN too, so you know it's true. A grocery store threw out $35,000 in food that a woman coughed on. Oh my God. She should have had her ass whooped after that too. A woman purposely coughed on $35,000 worth of food at a this was close to me, at a Pennsylvania grocery store, police said. She likely faces criminal charges for coughing on one of the primary ways the novel You Know What is spread. The unnamed woman entered a small grocery store chain and started coughing on produce, bakery items, meat, and other merchandise. Staff quickly removed her from the store and called the police, who found her a few hours later and took her into custody. The woman intentionally contaminated the food, and they plan to file criminal charges against her and give her mental treatment. Yeah, she probably has a problem. Officials don't believe she's infected with you know what, but will make every effort to see that she is tested. Employees at the supermarket disposed of $35,000 worth of produce that the woman had contact with, despite considering what she did was a very twisted prank. The store owner said that they threw out every item she came into contact with and worked with the local health inspector to identify and disinfect the areas that she entered. Ultimately, she said the store disposed of $35,000. This is nuts. I'm telling you, see? And it's funny, that's funny that one of y'all said, when I said yesterday, yeah, you win, play stupid games, you win stupid prizes. I was watching the quartering the other day, and he said the same shit about the same story that I was talking about, or one of the same stories I was talking about. Yes, and she went in there and played a stupid game and won a stupid prize. People, this is ridiculous. And people that are, they're mentally off. They're off. And I'm telling you, if I have any mentally off subscribers, and I'll tell you I do because I've gotten certain emails and I can tell. If you are thinking about doing this, do not do it. You will go to jail. You will be put on medication forcefully, all right, to rehabilitate your stupid ass. Or you could get really sick doing some of these dumb pranks. All right? God forbid a mob stomps the fuck out of you for acting up like that. That's going to happen somewhere. Someone's going to go around coughing on people doing something, and they're going to get beat the hell up. It's going to happen if it ain't happened already. Post comments down below. Let me know what you think about all this, and if you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe, and share. 10 million subscribers. Woo!